Top 5 apps like Acorn Finance Review that actually work today. If you've been saving spare change with Acorn Finance, you won't believe what happens next. There are apps that make investing and saving even easier. Most people get this wrong, thinking micro investing is complicated, but these apps simplify it entirely. First up is Stash. Dash allows you to invest small amounts in stocks and ETFs with personalized recommendations based on your goals. Its user-friendly app makes investing approachable, even if you're just starting. Second is Robinhood. While known for trading, Robinhood's fractional shares feature lets you invest as little as $1. The app provides real-time data, making it easy to grow your portfolio over time. Number 3 is Betterment. This app focuses on automated investing and retirement planning. Betterment analyzes your risk tolerance and invests your funds across diversified portfolios, helping you reach long-term goals. Fourth, we have MFinance. MFinance combines automated investing with customization. You can create pies of stocks or ETFs and let the app handle contributions and reinvestments automatically. Finally, Chime. While primarily a banking app, Chime rounds up transactions and deposits spare change into a savings account. It's perfect for passive saving without thinking about it. In conclusion, why Acorn Finance is convenient, these 5 apps give you more flexibility, control, and automation. Whether you want to invest, save, or plan for the future, these tools make growing your money simple and stress-free.